Let's prepare to meditate. In this meditation, we will be lying down. Find a big space for yourself where you are not touching anyone else and lie down on your back. Rest your arms and hands on the ground beside you so that you aren't using a single muscle to hold them up. Let your hands be soft and fall open naturally. Adjust your shoulders so they come away from your ears, and adjust your back so that it is tall and straight. Close your eyes. Take a nice filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Do this breathing again a few more times to settle your mind and body. In this meditation, we will need lots of space. Stretch yourself out nice and big like a starfish, but make sure you are not touching anyone or anything. If you are, take a moment to adjust yourself so that you aren't touching anything but the floor. Now, as if in slow motion, quietly and slowly roll onto your side and curl up in a ball. Slowly. Once you are curled up, don't hold yourself too tightly. You want to feel comfortable. You can hold your legs in place with your arms if that's comfortable for you, or just stay in a comfy ball your own way. Imagine yourself lying this way, somewhere where you feel happy and safe. Perhaps your couch, your bedroom, a beach, your grandparents' house. Rest here for a long moment and breathe deeply. Stay on your side, but slowly stretch out long and lie on your side in a lazy way that is similar to sleeping. Rest here on your side and breathe deeply. Slowly roll onto your back now and let your arms and legs flop lazily beside you, as if they would if you were asleep. Relax your whole body. Breathe deeply. Now stretch your arms and legs out wide so that you are lying in a starfish position. Let this stretch feel comfortable, not forced. Lie widely in a starfish position that feels comfortable and easy. Relax here lazily and focus on the rise and fall of your chest and belly. Stay in this starfish position, breathe easily, and enjoy a moment of relaxation. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you are ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find the magic in your day.